Alright, just speculating, don't know for sure. Last time I had a problem with this water heater was condensate was clogged. Water was backing up and it flamed out. Not saying that's what the issue is, but just kind of be prepared. That might be what it is before I try to restart it. Doesn't really give me a diagnostic on the controller. Let's see if this is backed up. Oh yeah, it's backed up. Okay. It's concrete floor. I'm just gonna let it go, and there's a drain right around the corner here. There's the drain on the floor. I'm just gonna make a big mess here, but it's I'll clean it up. This outpatient surgery center and 30,000 square feet, and unfortunately there's no redundancy with the water heater. It's only one. So here we go. Let's make a mess. If this backs up, the unit will flame out. That baby's full. So we got to come up with a better way of a P-trap with a clean out on it, so we can service this more often. So we may have a bunch of sediment down in here. Assuming this is, yeah, looking at. The glob just came out right there on the floor, right there. There's some more of that glob stuff. Take this apart, rinse it out. The big chunks out. Right on my boot. Nice. Alright, set point on this water heater is about 120 degrees. When I got here, it was reading between, I don't know, it was 90. I'll show it to you in a second before I fire it up. But we need a better more maintenance on this line. It'd be nice to have a vent here with a cap on it. though it's not a big deal. Just take this apart, clean it out. Right now it's just to get the hot water return. People will go crazy around here with hot water, but basically they have to shut down if there's no hot water. So it's a huge deal. Huge deal. Here's the controller. I don't know why it's going between 88 and 110. I think the water temperature is 88. Yeah, here's the discharge pipe, and it's just a touch warm to my hand. And what does this say? Yeah, around 90 degrees. That's the return water. I think that's the only thermometer I have. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and then restart it and see. For some reason this keeps banging. Not sure what the hell's going on with that. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Watch it reboot. Doing a pre-purge. Going to be blowing out any possible combustibles that are in the burner. Take a couple pictures. Looks like the set point's 140. Ignition. Now run. This is our Bradford White. Yep, water's heating up. I can feel it. It's staying lit, so that's a good sign. It's also making condensate. Well, the problem just might have been clog condensate line. He backs up with water and then goes off on a block vent safety. Thermostat satisfied on the water heater.
And temperature, now we're about, what is it, about 120? 130? About 130.
Well, the problem is the clogged condensate line.